Hello everyone, good afternoon to all guys. So guys, please respond in the chat box whether my voice is clearly audible or not. And also my screen is visible clearly or not. Everyone please respond to the chat box whether my voice is clearly audible to you or not. And also my screen is visible clearly or not. So guys, please respond in the chat box whether my voice is clearly audible or not. And also my screen is visible. Okay, so it's time to start the class. I hope the correct link and everything is shared with you all. Let me check. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So everything is good to start the class. Just a minute. Let me check. Hmm. Okay. So let's start the class. Okay. So in the previous class, I've given you one question as your homework question, right? And this is your question, which I already given in the last class. So any one of you tried these questions in your home or at your hostel? Let me know in the answer in the chat box. What is the answer for this question? Right? So in previously we have covered geometric progression. Okay, on based on that concept only, I asked one questions to you and as given as your homework also. This is the question: 1 upon 2 into 3 to the power 10 plus 1 upon 2 square into 3 to the power 9 up to 1 upon 2 to the power 10 into 3 is equal to k upon 2 to the power 10 into 3 to the power 10. Then you need to find the remainder where k is divided by 6. First, you need to find the value of k. Then, after finding the value of k, you need to divide 6 with k. And what is the remainder you are getting? You need to write that. Okay. So let's do that only. So what is the procedures we will follow in this question? What is the way? What is the approach? How we can solve it? Okay. So let's start with the solution. So simply you can observe here the given series is a GP. This given series is GP with the common ratio 3 by 2. Sorry. With the common ratio 3 by 2. Yes or no? You can see na 1 upon 2 square into 3 to the power 9 into 2 into 3 to the power 10. That is 3 upon 2. The common ratio is 3 upon 2, right? And so to simplify this series, the given series, to solve the or to find the value of k, what I will do, we can do one thing. We just simplify this given series. How we can simplify? Now, simplify in such a way that the given series look like a good series, or which looks easier than the given one, right? So that's why what I'm doing, I'm just multiplying 2 raised to 10 and 3 raised to 10. 2 raised to 10 into 3 raised to 10 on both sides. K upon 2 raised to 10 into 3 raised to 10 into 2 raised to 10 into 3 raised to 10. So here this will be cancelled out. So what you are getting, see here, what we am getting? We are getting, after simplifying, we are getting, when we will multiply 2 raised to n into 3 raised to 10 on both sides of the given series, what we are getting? See, I am getting, here I am getting 2 raised to 9 into, 2 raised to 9 into 3 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 8 into 3 plus, similarly we will get the third term as 2 raised to 7 into 3 raised to 2 and so on up to the last term becomes, uh, 3 raised to, what it will be, 3, only 3, huh? 3 raised to 10 upon 3, that is 3 raised to 9. Yes, and finally in the right hand side I am getting k only. So now what is the series you are getting? Actually, this is a easier form of the previous one. You can easily say, yes, sir, this is an GP, this is a GP with the first term as 2 raised to 9 and the common ratio as 3 upon 2, right? Now we can find the left hand side. So left hand side represents to a GP. So easily we can find the summation of that GP, sum of that GP. So try to find the sum of that GP. Okay. So now if I'll ask you to find the sum of this GP, so what will happen? So which first term is 2, right? 2 raised to 9 and the common ratio is 3 upon 2, right? So try to find, so to find what is the formula to find the sum of a GP? That is A is 2 raised to 9 into R raised to n, that is 3 by 2 to the power n. What is the number of terms here? We have 10 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Yes, which is given as k. So simplify it, what you are getting? By simplifying it, I am getting 2 raised to 9 into 3 raised to 10 minus 2 raised to 9 upon 2 raised to 10. After taking the LCM, here I am getting 2 raised to 10, 2 raised to 10, right? Upon 1 upon 2, which is given as k, right? So now simplify it. What I am getting? 2 raised to 9, this will be 2 raised to 9 and this 2 comes to this place and this becomes in the numerator. In the numerator, it becomes 2 raised to 10, right? So this becomes 2 raised to 10 into 3 raised to 10 minus 2 raised to 10 upon 2 raised to 10 is equal to k. So 2 raised to 10 will be cancel out each other. And what you are having finally? I'm having finally 3 raised to 10 minus 2 raised to 10 is equal to k. So here we got the value of k, right? We got the value of k, that is 3 raised to 10 minus 2 raised to 10. Is it or not? Okay. So Now, in the question, it is asking if k is divided by 6, right? If k is divided by 6, then what is the remainder? What is the remainder? Right? So, simply, so how we can divide k with 6? So, we got k as 3 raised to 10 minus 2 raised to 10. That can be written as, can we write this as 3 raised to 10 minus 2 raised to 10 upon 6, which can be written as, can I written as this as 3 raised to 5 square minus 2 raised to 5 square divided by 6. Yes or no? So what is the value of 3 raised to 5? Can I say 2, 3 raised to 5? That is 3 in 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81, 3 is 243. Yes, 243 minus 32, 243 square minus 32 square divided by 6. Okay. Now, by using the algebraic identity, we can easily find it. 243 plus 32 into 243 minus 32 divided by 6. So after calculation, do the calculations easily. So this becomes 243 plus 32 becomes, this will be 275, right? 275 into, this will be 243 minus 32, that is 1211, right, upon 6. So finally, when you will do the long division, long division process, because we don't have any shortcut to find the remainder when the number is divided by 6. So we will go through the long division process and the remainder will be 5. We'll get the remainder as 5. So this is not equal to 5. When this will be divided by 6, when this will be divided by 6, then you will get the remainder as, when this numerator, okay, when the numerator divided by 6, the hence will get the remainder is 5. So that is the answer, and the correct option is option D, right? So I hope this is clear to everyone, guys. So let's move to the next thing. Now we'll see some basic properties of GP, right? So basic properties of GP may we'll see. First property is saying, if A, B, C are in GP, then B square is equal to AC. We know, you knew all these things. Okay. So if A, B, C are in GP, that means B upon A is equal to C upon B. So simply if we'll do the cross multiplication, I will get B square is equal to AC. So this is the first property. Or we can say B is equal to plus or minus under root of AC also you can say. Right? So this is the first basic property of geometric progression. And come to the second one. Second one, like in arithmetic progression we did, in also when you supposed to take three consecutive term of GP, or when you need to take or assume 3 consecutive term of GP. So how we can choose, or how we can take consecutive terms of GP? Okay, when 3 numbers are GP and you need to suppose, then how we can take? Okay, so what is the actual, or what is the way to take? However, the question will be, or the problem will be easier to solve by you. Okay, so what is the procedure? When suppose we'll first consider for when you will choose the odd number of terms, right? When you have to choose odd number of terms are in GP, then how can you choose? Now, when you need to choose odd number of terms of a GP, then first write A, right? First write A, then if the common ratio is R, then what is the next term of A? It will be AR, right? And then if I'll ask you what is the previous term of A, that will be A by R. So when you need to choose 3 terms of a GP, suppose if I'll ask you to choose 5 terms of a GP, then simply what you need to do, that is AR square, here A by R square. So now you see these are 5 terms of a GP. So when in a question to solve any questions where you require to choose odd number of terms of a GP, then you have to start with A and then accordingly form the other terms also, and by taking the common ratio as R. Is that clear to everyone? Yes. So similarly, if I'll ask you to, when suppose in a question it is required to suppose even number of terms. So what you will do? Even number terms, for choosing even number of terms of a GP, right? When you need to choose even number of terms of a GP, then what you will do? Like हम AP में जैसे कर रहे थे ना, when in AP we did the same thing ना, we did the similar thing with AP. When we require to choose even number or odd number of terms for an AP, I told you one procedure, or I told you one method to choose the terms of an AP. Similarly, in case of GP also, for when you need to choose or when you require to choose odd number of terms, start with A and proceed with the common ratio R. Then you can choose, or then you will get all the odd number of terms of a GP. Similarly, what I'm saying, when you require to choose even number of terms of a GP, then start with A and what with A? A. No, it's not A. Actually, start with AR and A by R. Okay. So if AR and A by R, so what is the common ratio in between AR by and AI by A by R? Anyone can say what is the common ratio in between AR and A by R? So AR upon A by R will be R square. Then if the common ratio is R square, then the third term will be AR cube. Then the previous term to the A by R will be AR by A by R cube. Then similarly it will be AR to the power 5. Then similarly it will be AR to the power 5. A by R to the power 5. So when we require to choose even number terms of a GP, then start with these 2 terms taking the common ratio as R square. Then you will get other terms of the GP, and you have by taking these terms you can solve the questions. Is that clear to everyone? For odd numbers, you need to start with A with the common ratio R, then you will proceed with the other, you will get the other terms. But when you require to choose the even number, start with A by R, AR, then by taking the common ratio as R square, you will get AR cube, AR to the 5, then A by R cube, then A by R to the power 5. I hope this is clear to all of you guys. These are the basic properties of GP. Third property, what it is saying, if A1, A2, A3 are in GP. Suppose it is saying, third property is saying, if A1, A2, A3 and so on, they are in GP, then, and if for AI is greater than 0, for I belongs to integer or you can say natural numbers. Okay. So then what it is saying, the property is saying, if we'll take the log, of all the terms of the given GP, then log of A1, log of A2, log of A3, and so on will be in AP, are in AP. Is that clear to everyone? If it is saying, what is the third property? It is saying if A1, A2, A3 up to so on are in GP, these are the terms, those are in GP, then if we'll take the logarithmic all those terms, then log of A1, log of A2, log of A3 will be in arithmetic progression. Is that clear to everyone, guys? Tell me, let me know in the chat box. Clear to everyone? Yes? Clear? सिंपल ना? अरे सिंपल है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? तो सिंपल देखो, बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए सी, राइट? बी स्क्वायर, सपोज आई एम टेकिंग, you can prove it by easily na. If A, B, C are in GP, that means B square is equal to AC. If we'll take log on both sides, what will happen? So log of B square is equal to log of AC, right? So see, by using the property for logarithmic, left hand side becomes 2 into log of B, which is equal to right hand side becomes log of A plus log of C. Now you can see here, by using the, here we can write log B as log A plus log C upon 2. So now you can see from this bracket, this bracket, from this bracket we can conclude here log of A, log of B, log of C are in AP. Is it proved or not? Yes? Clear? Okay. What is the fourth property it is saying? The product of, what is the time right now? Okay. The product of the terms of a GP equidistance from the beginning and end is constant and equal to the product of the first and the last. Simple. The thing is, if we'll take simple, what is the thing? The thing is, if I'll say T1, if I'll choose the first term, T1, and will multiply with the last term, Tn. It is equal to, if I'll choose the second term, and if I'll choose the previous of the last term, that is Tn minus 1, okay, these products are same always, T3 into Tn minus 2, and so on, like this. So Tk into Tk, T of n minus k plus 1, first term into last term. These product will be always constant. If you choose the first term of a GP and the last term of the GP, and I will multiply those two terms, and if I'll choose the second term of a GP, that GP, and if I'll choose the previous of the last term of the GP, and if I'll multiply both, then I will get the same product of both the multiplication. Is that clear to everyone? These are some basic properties of GP. Clear? Chalo. Let's move to the next thing. Now, here you have a question for you. Okay. All the questions we are solving here in your class, all the questions came in your previous year JEE mains entrance examinations. Right? All these questions are from previous year questions we are solving here. Right? So that's why what I'm suggesting to you all, guys, please solve these questions by your own also, and also understand if you are not able to solve those questions, you can also understand from your class, right? Chalo, theek hai. So this is the question. If A1 is greater than 0, okay, if A1 is greater than 0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 are in GP, and it is given that A2 plus A4 is equal to 2A3 plus A1, and A3, A2 plus A3 is equal to A4, then A2 plus A4 plus 2A5 is equal to. It's a numerical question asked in JEE mains 2022, I think. Okay. So So let's solve this question. So what is the solution? Okay. So we are having in the questions A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, 5 terms. Those are in GP, right? Those are in GP. Okay. So we need to choose, or we need to take 5 terms, or we need to suppose 5 terms of a GP. I already told you in the previous slide. So how we can choose the terms of a GP? Here we are having 5 terms. So 5 is an odd number. So we require to choose 5 terms of a GP, right? So odd number of terms we need to choose. So how we can proceed? Either there are 2 cases I can choose. Either I can choose the first term as A, or let's change the color. Okay, first term as A, case 1, AR square, AR cube, AR to the power 4, right? And the second thing is, suppose if I'll choose this AR square, AR square, A by R square, right? So in this way also we can choose. So case 1, option 1, you can write this as option 1, and this is option 2. Any option you can choose. So I am considering the first option. Okay. So let's consider the first one. Consider the option 1. Option 1. So what they are? Now AR square, AR cube, AR to the power 4 are in GP. Okay. So what is given in the question? Let's see. A2 plus A4 is equal to 2A3 plus 1. 2A3 plus 1. Yes. So A2 plus A4 is equal to 2A3 plus 1. Okay. Clear? Chalo. ठीक है. So what is A2 here? What is the second term? AR. I'm writing here AR. What is the fourth term? AR cube. AR cube is equal to 2 into A3, that is 2 into AR square plus 1, right? So anything is cancelled out? No, nothing is happening. So I am taking this as my option, equation 1. No issues. I am taking this as my equation 1. Okay, what is the second condition given in the question? That is 3A2 plus A3 is equal to 2A4. 3A2 plus A3 is equal to 2A4. 2A4. So let's check 3A2. 3 into A2, that is AR, plus A3, that is AR square, is equal to 2 into A4, that is AR cube. Okay, so in this equation, so A to cancel हो रहा है भाई, both sides से, and also R can be cancelled out. Okay, so finally what we are having? We are having 3 plus R is equal to 2R square, right? So we are getting a quadratic equations, guys. Here we are getting a quadratic equation, that is 2R square minus R minus 3 is equal to 0. So here I am getting R is equal, by solving these equations, R is equal to minus B, that is minus of minus 1, 1, plus or minus under root of B square, that is 1 square, 1 minus 4 into 2 into minus 3 upon 2 into 2, that is 1 plus or minus 1 plus 1 plus 4 to the 8, 25, 1 root of 25, that is 4. So I am getting 1 plus or minus 5 upon 4. So here I am getting 1 is 6 upon 4 or minus 4 upon 4, that is 1, minus 1. Okay, so we are getting the value of r as 1 to 3 by 2 or minus 1. So if we'll put r is equal to minus 1, so what is happening? Let's check. If we'll put r is equal to minus 1 in the first condition. So what is the first condition? Let's check for the first condition. A2 plus A4, that is AR, r is equal to minus 1. AR, that is minus A, plus AR cube, that is minus A, is equal to 2AR square, that is 2A plus 1. So this is minus 2A, 2A. So this becomes 4A is equal to minus 1 and A becomes minus 1 by 4. Right? So first term becomes minus 1 by 4. But in the given question, it is given that first term must be positive. Right? First term must be positive. So we cannot consider R as negative. Okay, R cannot be negative. This is impossible. We cannot consider R as negative, that is R is equal to minus 1. Is that clear to everyone? So R becomes finally, hence we need to take R is equal to 3 upon 2. So if R is equal to 3 upon 2, then what is asking in the question? In the question it is asking to find A2 plus A4 plus 2A5. A2 plus A4 plus 3A5. Is it or not? A2 plus A4 plus 2A5. 2A5. Sorry. 2A5. Yes. 2A5. Yes. So, chalo. So A2 is AR. A4 is AR cube. Plus 2 into A5 is AR. Oh. A5 is AR cube. Right? A to the power 4. Sorry. So let's give me answer. What is the answer? A to the power 4. Okay. So what is the answer? JNB KNR. Just calculate by putting the value of R as 3 by 2. What is the answer you are getting, guys? Let me know in the chat box what is the answer you are getting. Okay. What is the value of A? You need to find the value of A also, na? And by putting R is equal to 3 by 2 in the equation 1 also, you can take na equation 1. What is it? Equation 1 is A2 plus, okay, A2 plus A4 is equal to 2A3 plus 1, right? So this is actually A2 is AR cube plus 2 AR square plus 1. So put R is equal to 3 by 2. So here in these equations, you can get na from these equations, you can get 3 by 2 A plus 3 by 2 cube R, sorry, A is equal to 2A into 3 by 2 square plus 1. By solving these equations, you will get the value of A as 8 by 3. So if A as 8 by 3 and R is 3 by 2, so you can find easily the value of this expression, that is A is 8 by 3 into 3 by 2 plus 8 by 3 into 3 by 2 whole cube plus 2 into 8 by 3 into 3 by 2 to the power 5. So simplify it and the answer will be 40. You can check it. Okay. You can find the value of A by putting the value of R in the condition 1. Right? From condition 1, you will get the value of A, and after getting the value of A, put the value of A and the value of R in the asked condition or asked equation expression. This you will get the answer as 40. Clear, everyone? Zenbi Kenar, is it clear to all? Shall I move to the next question? Chalo, jaldi batao beta. Clear? So why actually the rule is actually, what is our rule in our class? Okay. So first 3 days, first 3 weekdays of our classes will be some different batches, and also Saturday and Sunday is for other students. So there are two category of students. Weekdays are for one category of students, and weekend classes are for another category of students. Because of in this week, Baisakhi came, we had a holiday in this week. That's why the portions or the syllabus of sequences and series didn't complete it. So that's why I'm proceeding with these concepts only. All of the students can join the class. There is no need to worry. There is no boundary to not attend the class regularly. Okay. So in the last class, I saw there are a huge number of students. There are a huge number of schools join the class. But today it is the very important class, but there is nobody. No one, because of schools are thinking like that. Saturday, Sunday, we don't have class. Yes, that is understood. But some holiday came in the this week. That's what I'm doing. So when holiday came in the week or in weekdays, so what we can do? We need to cover the syllabus. We cannot skip all the syllabus, na? Right? Chalo, okay. So let's move to the next question. So what did transformation of GP, like we did the similar things with AP also. Okay. So when suppose you have n number of terms, those are in GP, and if you are multiplying a constant with that GP, suppose here it is taken T1, T2, T3, and up to Tn. They are in GP with the common ratio R. Okay. So if you multiply a constant K with all the terms of GP, then also the common ratio will be unchanged, that is R, right? The common ratio will be unchanged, that is R. Similarly, also if we divide a constant with all the terms, also the common ratio will not be changed and it will be remain same, that is R. But when we are raising all the terms to a power constant K, suppose T1, T2, T3 up to Tn, all the terms are in GP, and we are raising all the terms to the power K, that is T1 to the power K, T2 to the power K, up to Tn to the power K, then the common ratio will change from R to R to the power K. Is that clear to everyone? Common ratio will be changed from R to R to the power K. Clear? So these are the transformation of GP. So let's move to the question. What is, it's a very simple question asked in JEE mains also. This is also a previous year question. Okay. So try to solve JNB KNR. All the students please try these questions. Okay. If not able to solve, then I will also solve these questions. No need to worry. Okay. Try to solve with me. Okay. What it is asking in the question, let A, B, C, D and P be any non-zero distinct real number such that A square plus B square plus C square into P square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CD into P plus B square plus C square plus D square is equal to 0, then ACP are okay. Which of the following options is or are correct? Okay. So let's see. What is the solution? Okay. So in the solution, it is given that A square plus B square plus P. Okay. So what is this given in the question? Na? Just multiply all the brackets. What it is given, just multiply all the things. Okay. What I'm doing, I'm multiplying. That is multiply the first terms of each bracket and write at a place. Okay. I'm multiplying P square with A square. that is a square p square. Then p with 2ab, p with 2ab, that gives me 2abp. Then in the first term of the last term, is plus b square, give a bracket, plus. Similarly, multiply p square with b square, it gives me b square p square, p with 2bc minus 2bc p plus c square. Okay. Similarly, p square into c square plus p square c square, p into cd into 2 minus 2 cdp minus 2 cdp, then plus d square, which is equal to 0. Right. Now we can observe here, guys. Now we can observe this is nothing but it is, what is it? AP plus B whole square plus this is BP plus C whole square. Right? Yes. Similarly, the last one is PC plus D whole square. So can you tell me one thing, when the sum of three perfect square, when in which condition the sum of three perfect square will give you 0? Can you guys write in the chat box, please? When sum of three perfect square will be giving you 0. There is one condition, there is only one case when all the perfect square becomes 0. That means this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. This is the only case when sum of three perfect square gives you 0. That means here I am getting AP plus B is equal to 0, BP plus C is equal to 0, and PC plus D is equal to 0. Is that clear? Similarly, here you can get, here we can get, what is it? Oh, we are getting here, oh, this is not plus, yeah. This is minus. Sorry. This is minus. I wrongly write this. Minus, minus, minus. Similarly, here also it changed to minus. It changed to minus, it changed to minus. I shocked, yeah. What happened? Totally question changed, totally answer changed. Mera dimag kharab ho gaya. Okay, let's see. Okay, now here we can say B upon A is equal to P. C upon B is equal to P, and D upon C is equal to P. So from these three ratios, I concluded that B upon A is equal to C upon B is equal to D upon C. We are getting a fixed constant, that is P. So which satisfy for a GP? Yes or no? Who is satisfying for a GP? So A, B, C, D are in GP. A, B, C, D are in GP. So what is the correct answer? Option C is the correct one. Is it clear to guys, everyone? Is it clear to everyone? JNB, KNR, is it clear? But is it clear? They are in GP. Yes or no? Just respond to the chat box. Guys, please respond to the chat box. Clear? Chalo, okay. If it is clear to all, move to the next thing, the last progression, that is harmonic progression. So what is harmonic progression? If A, B, C, when we can say A, B, C are in harmonic progression? Simple. Huh? When we can say A, B, C are in harmonic progression? when their reciprocal are in AP, sorry, when their reciprocal are in AP. So we can say A, B, C, A, B, C are said to be in harmonic progression if their reciprocal, that is 1 upon A, 1 upon B, and 1 upon C are in arithmetic progression. This is the definition of harmonic progression. Simple, clear? Okay. If they're reciprocal in arithmetic progression, that means if 1 by A, 1 by A, 1 by B, and 1 by C are in AP. So these three terms will be satisfying the conditions for AP. Yes or no? That means 2 into middle terms, that is 2 into middle terms, that is 2 upon B is equal to 1 upon A plus 1 upon C. So if we'll take the LCM of the right hand side, it will be AC and numerator A plus C. So if we'll do the cross multiplication, what we'll getting? B is equal to 2AC upon A plus C. So this is the conditions for harmonic progression. B is equal to 2AC upon A plus C when A, B, C are in harmonic progression. Is that clear to everyone, guys? Clear? Got it? Okay, done. आगे चले? फास्ट हो रहा है क्या थोड़ा? बच्चे नहीं है क्लास में, क्या करूं बताओ? या तो मुझे पढ़ाना नहीं आता है। अरे यार, तुम क्या जानोगे यार, अकेले आदमी कैसे पढ़ाता है? Seriously, it's feeling very bad. Even if one school is present, those students are not interactive also. They are not asking anything. They are not asking anything, not about the questions also. They are not talking with me. So how the environment, how the mahols will be, you can feel. If I'll ask you to go and sit in a place where nobody is there and just record a session for 10 minutes, then you can feel how that 10 minutes will be going. Okay. Guys, now you can interact. Now you can interact. थोड़ा पढ़ाई से दूर चले जाते हैं. चलो बोलो, anything you can ask. ठीक है? Anything you need to share with me? Nothing. So what should I do? Tell me. चलो ठीक है. If you are not interested to ask anything or share anything, so why I will force you all? So let's start. Chalo, go on. Huh? Okay. So the next question. Question. Okay. The next question, it is saying, if A, B, C are positive real numbers such that A plus B plus C is equal to 18. Okay. This concept I didn't taught you. Leave this one. Okay. Now, arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. Okay. Arithmetic mean and geometric mean and harmonic mean. So this is n positive numbers. Okay. So for n positive numbers, when you have n positive numbers, suppose you are having A1, A2, A3 up to AN number of terms you are having. Okay. And you need to find the arithmetic mean of these n positive all the numbers are positive numbers. Okay, positive real numbers. Okay, positive numbers. So now if I'll ask you to find the formula to find arithmetic mean, then the arithmetic mean will be a1 plus a2 plus up to an, sum of all the given terms divided by the number of terms. This is my arithmetic mean for n number of positive numbers. Okay, this is the formula to find the arithmetic mean when you have n number of positive numbers. Okay, so second formula to find the geometric, how can you find the geometric mean when you are having n number of positive numbers? Geometric mean will be product of a1 into a2 into a3 up to an whole to the power 1 by n. This is the formula to find the geometric mean. And what is the formula to find the harmonic mean? Harmonic mean will be number of terms divided by 1 upon a1 plus 1 upon a2 up to 1 upon an. So this is the formula to find the harmonic mean. Remember these three formulae, they are very, very important to solve problem solving. They will be used also. They will be useful also. And the most important inequality I am going to share with you all. Guys, remember the most important inequality in sequences and series on which always questions were asked. Okay, so the important inequality is arithmetic mean. When you have n number of terms and you have a result, we got a result, that is arithmetic mean is always be greater than equal to geometric mean is always be greater than equal to harmonic mean. Remember this inequality. This is very, very important, guys. This is very, very important. Just remember it. Arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometric mean is greater than equal to harmonic mean. And these are the three formulae when you have n number of terms. Okay, n number of positive numbers, then you need to find the you can find arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean by using these formulae. Remember this formula. Okay, no need to go through all the derivations. If you need the derivations, you can go through any standard book, you will get all the derivations, and the derivations are very simple. Okay, chalo. Okay, when you are having two terms, two positive numbers, so how can you find arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean? Okay, suppose you have two positive numbers, a and b are two positive numbers. Okay, so I'm asking to find the arithmetic mean. So first I'm asking to find the arithmetic mean. This is the simple, very simplest formula, which is a plus b by 2. This is the formula to find the arithmetic mean. What is the geometric mean? In the case of n number of terms, geometric mean will be product of all the terms whole raised to 1 upon n, right? Similarly, here we are having only two terms, two numbers we are having, and we need to find the geometric mean, that is the product of two numbers a into b raised to 1 upon 2, or we can say under root of ab, right? This is the formula to find the geometric mean when you are having two positive numbers. Third thing, harmonic mean. Harmonic mean is, what is that harmonic mean? Harmonic mean is, if you have two numbers a and b, positive numbers a and b, then to find the harmonic mean of those two positive number will be 2ab upon a plus b, right? Another inequality or another equality here I am saying important also, that is g square, geometric mean square. G square is equal to arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. Remember, arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. This is the first one. And the second formula, second inequality, I already told you, arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometric mean is greater than equal to harmonic mean. This is the second inequality I already told you. Important. This is important. This is also important. We'll solve some questions based on this inequality or equality also. When equality hold, now when equality hold, when equality holds when all the numbers are equal. Equality holds when all the numbers are equal. Okay, clear? Chalo. So let's solve one questions based on this. Okay, it's a very easy questions. I'm solving only one these questions only. Okay, let's solve. In the question, it is asking LMN are the three positive root of the equations x cube minus ax square plus bx minus 48 is equal to 0. This is a cubic equations, and it is saying LMN are the roots of these cubic equations. Okay, LMN are the root of these cubic equations. Okay, so in the theory of equations, all of you know now what is the sum of roots. If you have a cubic equations x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, then all of you know now what is the formula to find if the roots are alpha, beta, gamma. Then sum of roots is alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b upon a, and sum of product of roots, sum of product alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to c upon a, right? And product of root is alpha beta gamma is minus d upon a. These are the formula. I hope all of you read in theory of equations. If you not, you can go through the books. Okay, Aryan, Senges, any reference book you can follow. So similarly, we need to find here the minimum value of 1 by L, 2 plus 2 by M plus 3 by M. So basically, the last inequality, when we are using the last inequality to solve such type of equations, we use the last inequality. Okay, so suppose what we are doing here, I am taking this, we need to find 1 by L plus 2 by M plus 3 by M. So I am taking these three terms. These three terms are my three positive numbers. So suppose I am taking 1 by L, 2 by M and 3 by N are three terms I am taking. So then can I say, they are positive also, na? Because it is already given in the question, L, M, N are three positive roots. Okay, they are positive numbers. So three positive terms. Okay, so can I say the arithmetic mean will be greater than equal to geometric mean? Yes, arithmetic mean of these three positive numbers will be greater than equal to geometric mean. Yes, obviously. So same. So how can you find the arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean will be 1 by L plus 2 by M plus 3 by N. Sum of all the numbers upon the number of terms will be greater than equal to geometric mean. How can you find the geometric mean? That is product of all the given terms, 1 by L into 2 by M into 3 by N whole to the power 1 by 3. Yes or no? Clear? Chalo, okay. If this is done, now we can say 1 by L plus 2 by M plus 3 by N is greater than equal to, can you say this is actually 6 upon LMN whole to the power 1 by 3. And what is LMN? What is LMN? Product of roots. LMN is equal to product of roots. Product of roots. So in case of product of roots, what is the formula? In case of cubic equation, minus d by a, that is 48. So LMN is 48. Okay. So LMN is 48. Okay. So right hand side, this is 3. Huh? Right hand side becomes 6 upon 48 whole to the power 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 upon 8 whole to the power 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2. So if we'll multiply, so what is the inequality finally we are having? 1 by L plus 2 by M plus 3 by N divided by 3 is greater than equal to 1 by 2. So finally we are having this. Okay, now tell me, if we'll multiply 3 on both sides, so what we are having? 1 by L plus 2 by M plus 3 by N is greater than equal to 3 by 2. So what it is asking in the question, it is asking to find the minimum value of 1 by L plus 2 by M plus 3 by N. Okay, so see, 1 by L plus 2 by M plus 3 by M is greater than equal to 3 by 2. That means the minimum value of this is this. This is the left hand side. This left hand side is greater than or equal to 3/2. That means this is 3/2 is the minimum value of the left hand side. Is it or not? Minimum value for the left hand side. Is it or not, guys? Clear, everyone? Clear? Simple? Got it? Okay? Crystal and clear? क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया सबका? चलो ठीक है. अगर ये क्वेश्चन हो गया, कोई डाउट है इसमें? एनी डाउट यू आर हैविंग, यू कैन आस्क. Any doubt you are having, you can ask, guys. JNB Kenar, very I'm actually thanks a lot to all of you for your patience. You are attending the classes regularly also, I am observing. Yes, if you are attending the classes regularly, then finally in the last of your when you will be completed your 12th also, or after JEE mains, you will feel your school and you all will be getting a very good result. If you are very sincere, if you are obeying your teacher, if you are very sincere, if you are, because you are in class 12th and you are attending all the classes and you are doing all your work very efficiently and seriously and sincerely, then you must be succeed. No one can break you in your way, right? So thank you all. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. See you in the next class. In the next class, we'll discuss the very most important topic, that is how we can insert n number of arithmetic mean in between two numbers. Okay, how we can insert n number of geometric mean in between two numbers, how we can insert n harmonic means in between two numbers. Similarly, in the last portion, we'll see how to solve the arithmetic geometric progression. Okay, arithmetic geometric progressions. Also, we'll solve some special type of questions like method of cancellation, method of inspection, method Bayesian method. So special types of questions also we'll be solving. So thank you all. Bye bye. Take care. Chalo. Bye.